that yellow with the lavender and the pink. Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse. Got two cameras going, so I had to make sure they're both on. I am going to make a planter. I have been seeing some beautiful blooms starting to show themselves on all the little baby plants that we have in, and I've got a little collection over there. And I'm just filling up this container. I think it's about 16, 17 inches across. It's a pretty big one of those barrel planters. And I'm gonna fill this up, give it a water, and throw some fertilizer in it. Okay, so we always fill it kind of loosely right to the top because the soil sinks down a lot. So right to the top, leave the mess in the bin. Gonna throw a whole bunch of fertilizer on it here. There we go. And give it a good water. Straighten that out. Let that settle. I was just thinking, should we put a grass in this too?
I was thinking about a canna, but...
Oh, I would love to put a canna in it. That'd be really nice. Okay. So I just walked around the greenhouse, and this is a collection of things that I found. So I'll show you what they are. I will grab a canna though afterwards. And throw
A dark leaf.
A dark leaf? Okay. I'm game for any of them. So we've got this white geranium, and when we're done planting, I will take all the flowers off because that encourages root growth. At this stage, we definitely want the flower to concentrate on making more leaves and making more roots. I think this is a Moonlight White series. So I'll put it just off of center because I will put a canna right in the middle of this one. These guys are, I've got two of them I'm going to put in. This is a dark pink Towers of Flowers Dioecia, and we will trim them back. They need to get a lot bushier. Right now they just are growing tall and skinny. So I'm going to go like this. So these are our tall things. I'll go grab a canna right now. That way. So this is Scotch. He's my little shadow out here all the time. Okay, I'll put him down. There you go, honey. And then this is our canna. So this is a bronze leaf canna. It's gonna have an orange flower, and they get really beautiful tropical looking leaves. So I'll put that right here, just behind the geranium. So tall things are all kind of in the middle. I have been looking at this petunia for a long time. Every time I walk by, these little blooms just, you know, capture my attention. I think I get dirt on my face. And this is a hello yellow petunia. Look at how vibrant that yellow is. It's a stunner. So I'm actually I've got two, but I'm gonna grab three. I'm gonna put a third one in here and just put them in a triangle on the outer circle here. Okay. So I grabbed a third one, gonna put it over here. And then we have these really pretty violet ice Calibrachoa. Look at the size of that bloom, like compared to the petunia. Calibrachoa blooms have come a long way. They used to be quite small. These are really healthy. So I'm just gonna put them in between the petunias, and I'll grab one more of those. Here's one, pretty little bloom on it. Put this guy right here. And then I picked a blue lobelia, which I absolutely love, that real true sky blue color. And these guys are just planted, so there probably isn't too much for roots on them yet. I'm gonna put it right here by the geranium. Yeah, look at, there's just a little bit of roots coming through the soil there. They were just planted not that long ago. Looks pretty good. You can see them poking out. And then we grabbed 2 potato vines. So we actually have quite a few types of potato vine here. And we grabbed the one that has like the darkest leaves. So this would be called black, although it's more of a burgundy. And it has that heart-shaped leaf. We looked at some that have the spiky leaves, but for this one we thought we'd go with a heart-shaped leaf. So I'm gonna put this, where am I putting this? Right here, and then right here. So how many plants are in here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plants. This is about a 16 or 17 inch planter. And we will keep you updated on how this grows. I love a huge blend of colors. I always do. My daughter's cringing behind the camera because she's more into styling things. But yeah, these just all kind of spoke to me. And so here we are with this cute little planter. Thanks, guys.